Dealing with narcissists is tough, but you can make them regret their actions. Explore 10 clever strategies in this article that prompt introspection on the narcissist's part. 1. Begin enjoying your fantastic life, leaving them out of it. When dealing with a narcissist and trying to make them feel remorse for their hurtful actions, the best approach is to begin living your best life without them. It means spending time with people who genuinely care about and treat you respectfully, not just using you for their gain. Think of yourself as your story's main character, not just a supporting role in theirs. Don't feel guilty about moving forward with your life. Instead, go out with friends, enjoy activities, and focus on happiness. You know you deserve better, and you deserve to be happy. So take a moment to breathe and start living your best life without them. It's a way to demonstrate that their hurtful behavior won't define your well-being. Your happiness is essential, and it's time to prioritize it. 2. Strive to be a kinder person than they are. Narcissists are willing to harm others to get what they want, to make them regret their harmful actions. Outshine them with kindness and compassion. Rising above their negativity can shake their self-centeredness and insecurities. You don't need to be a perfect saint all the time. That's not realistic. Just aim to be kind whenever you can. It might take a while, but eventually, they'll see that their cruelty isn't affecting you anymore. And here's a silver lining. All those challenging moments you've endured with them made you emotionally stronger and wiser. So, focus on your personal growth. It will help you stay composed even when dealing with a challenging narcissist. 3. Don't hesitate to assert yourself. Standing up for yourself is a crucial strategy when dealing with a narcissist. They thrive on manipulating and controlling others, so asserting yourself sends a powerful message that you won't tolerate their mistreatment. Narcissists often try to shift blame onto you and make themselves look like the victim. It's essential to avoid falling for their tactics. If someone consistently belittles and mocks you, it's time to take action. Don't allow them to treat you poorly because they struggle to find anyone willing to tolerate them. They don't deserve your friendship or loyalty if they can't show you respect or kindness. By standing up for yourself, you're safeguarding your self-worth, and signaling their behavior is unacceptable. 4. Embrace confidence and independence. You can make narcissists regret their hurtful actions by maintaining confidence and independence. When you believe in yourself and your abilities, it becomes challenging for them to diminish your self-worth. It doesn't mean you have to come across as arrogant. Instead, it means that when someone attempts to make you feel insignificant, their efforts won't succeed. They'll feel remorse for their cruel behavior when they realize their tactics aren't working. Independence plays a vital role too. Don't rely on the narcissist for your happiness or validation. They often want you to think you can't be happy without them, but that's far from the truth. You can find happiness on your terms. 5. Prioritize self-care. Taking care of yourself is essential when dealing with narcissists and making them rethink their hurtful actions. Prioritize self-care by acknowledging your emotions without letting them overwhelm you. Focus on your physical health with nutritious meals, exercise, and rest. Treat yourself to enjoyable activities like massages or peaceful walks to reduce stress. Spend time with supportive friends and family to strengthen your emotional foundation. As you improve your well-being and confidence, the narcissist's control weakens. Hello viewers, did you know 80% of you haven't subscribed? If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Your support means a lot. Now, let's continue. 6. You don't need to apologize anymore. Dealing with a narcissist can be challenging. They're good at making you feel like you're the one who messed up, even when they're the ones being mean. So to make them regret what they've done, stop saying sorry. When you apologize to them, it's like permitting them to keep mistreating you. They want you to feel like you're the one who's crazy, which isn't fair. But they're not the victims here. They're the ones who hurt you, so it's their responsibility to own up to it. So don't fall for it if they try to make you feel bad again.
I made a mistake, and I took you for granted. But I promise you that I will never, ever hurt you again.
Don't apologize or try to explain yourself when it's not necessary. When you do that, you're giving them control over your life, and that's not what you want. Stand up for yourself. Don't let them guilt trip you for their actions. And remember, you're not the one who should be saying sorry when they're being mean. 7. Stop engaging with them. When dealing with a narcissist and wanting them to regret their hurtful actions, One practical approach is simply to stop engaging with them. Instead of subjecting yourself to their negativity and toxic behavior, take time and space. Invest in your well-being. Spend time with friends and family who uplift you, and distance yourself from the narcissist. When the narcissist realizes you're no longer reacting to their antics, it triggers something in them. They start pondering what they did wrong and how emptier their lives are without your attention. It can mess with their mind, and they might eventually come to you seeking forgiveness. 8. Focus on your goals. When dealing with a narcissist, it's crucial to employ effective strategies. Firstly, conceal your emotional reactions to their hurtful actions, as they feed off your response. Instead, focus on your happiness and well-being to regain control over your life. Ignore their manipulation attempts and don't engage in their mind games or disputes. Keep yourself busy with positive activities and people to minimize their influence. Establish and consistently enforce clear boundaries, showing you won't tolerate unacceptable behavior. Remember, the goal is to protect yourself and maintain control, not seek revenge. Stay strong and focused on your path to happiness. 9. Skip the flattery and compliments. When you praise a narcissist, it boosts their ego and reinforces their bad behavior. They might think you're okay with how they treat you. So, to make them regret their actions, you need to stop feeding their ego with compliments. Instead, try a different tactic. Show them you see through their facade by pointing out their mistakes and flaws. It can make them uncomfortable since, deep down, narcissists tend to be insecure. If they keep trying to manipulate you, don't fall for it. The key to breaking free from their influence is to refuse to let them control your self-esteem. Stand up for yourself, and don't let their toxic behavior define your self-worth. 10. Don't let their demands or expectations sway you. Dealing with a narcissist can be tricky. They're manipulative, always push for their way, and use various tactics if you disagree. A good approach is to stand firm and resist their demands. It's challenging but worth it. If they pressure you for something uncomfortable, say no clearly. Stick to your guns. They'll tire of pushing. Setting boundaries is vital. It's self-care, not selfishness. Clearly state your comfort zones and why they matter. If they disregard your limits, feel free to disengage without explaining. Remember, you don't owe them anything. You have the right to protect yourself. Don't succumb to their manipulations. If they've been unkind, hold on to hope. You deserve respect. By not giving in, you're moving towards a better future. Using these strategies, you can make a narcissist regret everything they've done to you. Break free of your grip and make them regret it. Make yourself a priority. Don't let them back into your life. If you found value in this video, I encourage you to support us. Hit that like button, subscribe for more compelling videos, and don't miss the opportunity to explore another engaging video right here.